Hi there, this is Rajkumar. We start learn about oil painting, the subject using Iron Man, easy way in Photoshop tools. And also I'm going to show you how to detail the subject Iron Man in oil painting in any background that you like, any colors in background. Let's get started. Duplicate the original subject shortcut Ctrl plus J. Create a background with any color you like. Finally we can touch with background. And select the duplicate subject and quick selection tools. To select the subject, cut the subject using any tools whatever you like. Easy. After selection, cut the subject background, delete it, duplicate the subject using shortcut Alt plus drag and drop. The subject we can keep background color little match with subject and crop the subject using crop tool. And select the Iron Man subject Ctrl plus L level. Open level, increase the contrast in levels and click OK. Go to filter, sharpen and unsharp mask amount 500, radius keep it 0.9 and click OK. Next go to image, adjustment, color balance, shortcut Ctrl plus B and adjust the color as easy, light, editable and click OK. Duplicate the subject, select the filter section, others high pass. Keep radius 3.5. Select the mode as normal to soft light and reduce the fill 45%. Merge the high pass subject with original Iron Man subject using shortcut Ctrl plus E. Go to Tools section, select the Smudge Tools. Keep strength 45%. Brush size 20%. And start smudge the Iron Man subject. And detailly smudge the subject Iron Man. Smudge correctly or exactly Iron Man subject. Don't touch hairs. Finally we smudge the hairs. I will fast the video, it will take more time. So I make the video as fast. Head section. Body section. Hand section. Hair section. Okay, I am using background subject as same like Iron Man subject from download by Google image. Well, using shortcut Ctrl plus L. Increase contrast of background subject. Click OK. And color balance Ctrl plus B shortcut. Duplicate background subject same shortcut key Ctrl plus J. Create for background high pass from filter radius 3.5%. Reduce the fill 45%. Change the mode soft light. Using shortcut Ctrl plus L. Increase contrast of background subject. Click OK. And merge the background high pass subject using shortcut Ctrl plus E. Select the tools section, Smudge Tools, keep the strength 45%, brush size 20%. Start the smudge the background subject as same like Iron Man subject. Hi, this is Rajkumar. Thanks for watching these tutorials. This tutorial, if you like or unlike, click like or unlike button. And any new idea or mistake, please mention in comment section. And please share and subscribe my channel to give more interesting tutorials. Thank you.